Guys, it happened. We had snow this night. Yeah, a little at least. So I think it's enough to go drifting. Take a look at the streets. It's Martin Luther King Day, so I think there's no service. I think the city is taking a break. I gotta clean both of the cars and then take the car out, take a drift. Out here it's not that much. But on the streets is a lot more. I think it will be enough. So finally, maybe the last time, first and last time I take a drift on snow with this car before we move to warmer places. So in Germany, that would be illegal, just letting your car run and clean it or defrost it. So whenever you let your car run, it's considered pollution without driving it. That's the crazy part. So what I'm doing here would cost you, I don't know, maybe 10 bucks, 20 bucks or something if the police sees you doing that, which is insane. So they'd rather let you drive with your cold engine, which is way worse. It breaks your car and yeah, right? Makes sense. Why not letting your engine run, get it warmed up before you pollute a lot more? And funny thing is, a friend of mine just visited me. He visited me a couple of weeks ago and he took a lot of pictures. So if you're following on Instagram, you will see all those pictures he took from me at 7-Eleven, Sheetz, and so on. He was telling me that he couldn't smell a lot of the exhausts when we went through DC, which is a huge city, right? In Germany, if you go through any city, it will smell like exhaust and pollution like crazy. Mostly because we have a lot of diesels driving around, so most of the regular cars are diesel. And yeah, I mean, Germany is pushing the whole environment thing to a level that's just crazy. But it's weird, right? You have a lot of V8s and stuff driving around here. In Germany, you mostly have 4 cylinders, while I think the minimum here is 6-cylinder. Then you have the 8s. So, and still not as much pollution and smell going on here in the cities. Why is that? Funny thing, right? Okay, enough talk. I'll clean up my car and get to you later. Yeah, because the speaker on the right and left side doesn't work well, it just makes funny noises. I'll stop the music here and just concentrate on the driving. But it seems like snow is already melting, so I don't know if we get a decent drift video today. I'll try my best and get to a place I know in time so we can let this baby drift at least one more time. But who knows if I'll be able to drive that thing out to somewhere else where there's snow, then we might be lucky. But as I said, we're moving to the south, so it's not really sure that we ever get to see snow again, especially with this car. I got my stuff in here, need those for taking an outside video. Clean up a little, but not a lot. I'll do another complete review on the inside, because like this camera gives me more opportunities to film everything that I need. So whenever it gets colder, my left speaker stops working. I don't know if it has something to do with the temperature. I think so, because that's the only thing I've noticed whenever it gets colder. But sometimes I think it also has to do with how hard I smack the door. But I usually go really soft on it, so don't know if it has something to do with it. If it's the cable that's making problems, or if it's really the speaker. Alright, yeah. We're definitely slipping a little. You can feel it here. So I think the snow will be enough to drift a little on it. So let's see. Braking still works. It's fine. Right, my wife is here to help me out with some videos. Camera's running out there. As soon as I parked, I got the braking light and that shit again. My dashboard died again. I don't know what's going on with it. Maybe it's because it's too cold. I don't fucking know. Alright, it works out here. It's not working that well. I'll have to turn around. Snow is not enough to go drifting. Try again. Ist nicht rutschig genug.
Das stinkt.
Das sind Reifen. All right, it seems to be not enough snow. Tires are good. I thought it would be slippery. Yeah, it's not. Not really. So in between there's some parts that are slippery, but out here, yeah, maybe we're too late, because like you see there's something warm down here, so it's melting. Maybe next time, maybe we get some more snow.